Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're going to be learning how to create custom Enscape assets in Revit. And now you may be asking, what are custom Enscape assets? The custom Enscape asset feature in Revit is an additional option for Enscape users who would like to add bespoke assets into their project, like lighting, furniture, planting, and so on and so forth. In my honest opinion, I think that this is a great feature to have to the already existing assets that come with the software. It gives you that flexibility to add a sense of character and narrative to your Revit project. So now you may be asking, what are the different file types that Enscape Custom Assets supports? From what I know and what I've seen on the Enscape website, Enscape supports 3 file types. That is the GTLF, the OBJ, and the FBX, which we will be using today. So where can you get these files from? Don't worry, I've got you. Quixel Megascans is one of the websites in which you can get these 3D files from. They have products ranging from 3D assets, 3D plans, surfaces, decals, as you can see, atlases, imperfections, displacements, and brushes. If you have a Google or Epic Games account, you can sign up for free and have access to all these amazing resources. Or if you're rich like Karen Billions, you can just pay for it. Next up, 3D Sky. 3D Sky also offers an expansive catalog for architecture users. They have models ranging from architecture, bathroom, child room, decoration, furniture, kitchen, and so on and so forth. You can also download things here for free. Just click on the free icon and anything here that you want, you can download it to your file. Number 3 on our list is called the Zeal project. Just like Quixel Megascans, the Zeal project also has 3D models for different assets. It also has 3D scenes, textures, brands, and the artists that upload these things to the platform. Last but not the least, and my personal favorite, is BIM Archi products. Just like Quixel Megascans and the rest of this website, BIM Archi products also has an expansive catalog where you can download furniture, bathroom fixtures, kitchen, lighting, outdoor spaces, offices, contracts, wellness, decor, finishes, construction, and lifestyle. Now that that is out of the way, let us get right into making our own custom Enscape assets. I'm going to open up Autodesk Revit 2021. I have this living space that I designed over the weekend, and I would like to incorporate a small coffee table. I am going to go to Zeal project, and this is the one that I want. So I'm just going to click on download the model, go to free download, and give it 1 second.
3 days later.
Let's go to my folder. Now, while that is downloading, let us go extract the file. You want to make sure you have Enscape running on your computer. So we go to Enscape and click on Asset Library. Once that opens, go to Custom Assets. Now you can see that these are the ones that I have done already before. Now let's give it a minute to load.
3 days later.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Wonderful. To create a new custom asset, we click on this plus sign here. Click on that, and it's going to pop up this menu. Don't worry about it. Once it opens, this is the interface that you are going to see. It is important to make sure that the files that you want to import are low polygonal models for performance reasons, as it will be difficult to read models that have 20,000 surfaces or triangles. These are called 3-point polygons. Now, I'm just going to call this side stool. Side stool. You have the option to categorize what type of asset this is, whether it's a lighting fixture, a furniture fixture, or a planting. I'm just going to leave it as uncategorized for now. And you can also add the description to it as well. Let's say coffee. Is that how to spell coffee? Okay, coffee side table. Great job.
Yes, sir.
Now let us import the 3D file. We click on import category, press open, give it 1 second to load. Great job. Now we want to add the materials to the form. We can do that by linking the image to the albedo texture. So click on this and let us find the material that it came with. So we go to maps, and this is the one it came with. Press on open, give it 1 second. And now we have materials on our 3D form.
Nice, that's very nice.
It doesn't stop there. Let's see how we can make it even look better. Enscape gives you the option to change the image fade and also add a height map. I'm going to add a height map to this to give it a really good texture that I'm looking for. So click on use albedo, and let's increase the amount to, let's say, something like 3.9. One of the amazing things about using custom Enscape assets is that you get to see it in real time. So big ups Enscape. Now go to the reflections. We want to make sure that the roughness is okay. It's not a metallic object, so I'm going to keep it at 0, and the specular, I'll just leave it at 50. And that's pretty much it. Haha, I lied. That's not it.
Do better.
We now want to change the scale of the 3D form. For some really weird reason, it's showing me 55 meters. This is going to be a really big stool, and we do not want that. Let us see how it looks like in the x-axis. Okay, good. This is how it looks like in the y-axis, and this is how it looks like in the z-axis or z-axis, whichever you like to pronounce it as. I'm going to take a gamble and say 10 meters or 3 meters. I'll give it 1 second for Enscape to read everything and adjust it, scale it properly. Now, as you can see, it's made it even smaller. Let us zoom into it. Zoom, 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 zoom.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Come on, zoom, zoom, zoom. Still zooming, guys.
One eternity later.
Still zooming. Still zooming, still zooming, still zooming. Next up, we want to make sure we can see it in the preview. So I'm going to click on Place Geometry, click on the same 3D file that I have, go to Export, click on this one, press OK. And make sure we have Show in Preview checked. The reason you want to check Show in Preview is that you can actually see the form once you bring it into your Autodesk Revit. So I'm going to click on Show in Preview, give it 1 second. Another thing I forgot to mention is that you can actually click on this image and actually change the height, the width, and the rotation. Now click on the thumbnail to actually take a picture of how it looks like. Give it 1 second. Finally, save changes and export. Once it gives you this green sign that says asset exported, click on the X and go back into your Revit assets category. We'll give it a couple seconds to load. And there we have our new custom Enscape asset. So click on it and let's place it here. As you can see, we obviously didn't get the scale right, but that's no problem. Just click on it and press escape. We can always change it in the properties tab. So click on this and go to edit type. Currently we have it at, never mind, I don't use millimeters. Let me change my projects. Let me save the project first and change my project units to feet and fractional inches because I am in Canada. Let's press OK. So now let us change it. Click on it, click on edit type, and 16 feet, that's a big boy. Let us make it, let's say 3 feet. Let's say the height, we want it to be 3 feet. Click on 3 and press 0. Apply. Okay, I like how it's looking so far. Let's look at how it looks like from the elevation view. Okay, it's still a bit too high for my liking. I would like it to be, let's say, 2 feet. 2 feet, let's see. Let's click on 2 feet. Let's apply. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I think this is good. Let's go to a 3D view to see how it looks like. So click on this, bring it down, bring it more down. Yeah, I think it's good. You can just put it by the side or even put it here as well. And now for the final product. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also leave feedbacks and suggestions on whatever you want to learn in Revit. I genuinely hope this helps, and I hope this improves your workflow moving forward. My name is Ebuka Idafom. See you on the next one, guys. Cheers.